YouTube? Today I am selling the dirt bike. It's a decision I made. I'm gonna sell it and I'm gonna look to see if I can find something else cool to buy. Maybe a four-wheeler, maybe some wheels. I don't know yet, but we're gonna go see if this guy's gonna buy it today. We're gonna head to town and we're gonna see if we can get her sold. So let's get it. It just rained and I'm trying so hard not to get this thing dirty. I just had cleaned it, so I'm trying so hard not to get her dirty. Jeez. Gotta get all these limbs out of the road. Look at this. Look at this. It's craziness right here. Man, I don't like it. Don't like it at all, man. I'm tired of having this thing stay cleaned all the time. Much money keeping it clean than I do in gas. It's ridiculous, I swear to you. We just ran by a car wash there and we got her cleaned up. Got the truck cleaned up a little bit. Headed to go meet this guy now, I reckon. I don't know. Maybe we'll get it sold. Maybe we'll make decent money off of it. Yep. Got my Jake brake, you know. She's a big rig. Well, guys, the bike is gone. We sold the dirt bike. I got basically what I wanted for it, and I'm happy with that. I'll keep you updated on what I'm looking for next and what I'm getting next. And yeah, no longer there. Man, we'll miss it definitely, but we'll have something better come in for sure. Guys, she's gone. No more bike for now. Figure out what we're going for next, what we're gonna look for. But as of right now, I have no bike. I don't know if I'm looking forward towards a like a four-wheeler now or another dirt bike. But I know for sure that I'm gonna get something else. I'm not. I just can't. I can't go without some kind of off-road vehicle. Well, I say off-road. I have the 4Runner, yeah, but I want a small off-road vehicle like a four-wheeler or dirt bike or something. But what's wrong with you, you fat turd? Whoa! Hey, Bo, you can't get in like that. No way. Nope. All right. I found out a trick a few years ago where you can these little Mighty crackers, you can make like a magician smoke kind of thing. You take your finger about, I don't know, 3/4 of the way down, break it just slightly, just where the stuff is showing. You light it like normal. Ow. And you basically just got magician smoke. Ta-da!
Going down inside.
Do it. Oh my God, I didn't know that was a full can. Where'd you find that? Out in the middle of nowhere? Sick. Well, taste test? No? Oh, okay. It's bubbling. It's bubbling a little bit. Bubbling a little bit. I mean, it's still got carbonations. That means it's good, home slime. That means it's good. Oh, okay. Oh my God, this thing's gonna blow. That's kind of cool, actually. We got any more?
Your whole case over there.
Oop. My whole case. Oh, yeah, I do, don't I? Hold up. Ah, there's a bug! Oh, sorry. I mean, There's a bug.
Put one more in
There's a bug. I forgot. It's the old case that I've had sitting out for a little while. Got a bunch. We're gonna get 3 of them for now, though. Yep. Hey, quit blowing them up without me. Oh, that went in the air and I missed it. Oh my God. Let's see if this one busts if I drop it. Ready? Nope. That one's smoking though. Smoking.
Turn 2, bud.
I don't think they both work. No. Fresh cold Pepsi. Not gonna drink that. I'm just kidding.
Hey.
Get close up with the Pepsi. Oh my God, you're turning my can over.
Hey.
Yeah. Oh crap. Let's see if I can get it going there. No. You can turn it upside down when you do it.
I tried.
Here, let me hold it. And you light it. Well, now you've lost it. You suck at this. What are you doing? Oh. Well. Boom! Yeah. Oh, no! God! There it goes. When did that one get there?
I don't know. Move.
Oh, it ain't completely lit.
Ray?
Yeah. Anytime now. There you go. Uh-oh. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Don't burn my finger off. Oh, I can't get that one in there. That one's too low short. All right, let's try this again. I don't know if that's gonna work. That one's dead. Sorry. Oh, sponsored, not sponsored. Oh, goodness, jeez. Focus on that. That was pathetic. I don't know, what are we doing this
I
time?
want an M500.
Yeah. We got anything cool in there that we can shoot right now? That one's gonna explode. Hey guys, we will post a couple of clips here in the 4th of July. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna post a few clips this 4th of July. We might find something. I'm thinking about clipping some Roman candles to bed my truck, have them shoot in the air. You know, we'll see about that. But update, because this is the same day I recorded whenever I sold my dirt bike. Well, I've been on Marketplace for the last evening, and I may or may not have found something for the 4Runner. Maybe going tomorrow? Maybe getting them? I don't know. Y'all have to stay tuned for that, because it might happen very, 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 very soon. Give a hint. Hint. I don't know. But yeah, we'll see what we got going on. Wait, this ain't on my phone. There we go. We'll see what's going on when we get this. And he's lit one. That was pathetic. I don't know if I need a haircut or not. I think I'm rocking with it kind of long. My hair looks stupid short, but
Like 100,000 subscribers, and I'll go bald.
my brother said we hit 100K subscribers. We're at 20. We're almost there. He said he gonna go bald. So if y'all want to see my brother shave his head bald, get me to 100K subscribers. What we got, Billy? What we got?
Nothing that we can really do right now.
So guys, I got some bottle rockets, some whatever these is, adult snappets, parachutes, helicopter thingies, more Roman candles. I went and bought this big bad boy today, 21 shot, huge, big rounds, and then I bought some. We bought some of these, those. What?
Flasher. Hey, can.
You found another one? I thought we was out.
It's like 2 more.
Oh, what? And you ain't told me? I just got mud on the bottom of the couch. I'm sorry. I couldn't. There we go. And we got some more smoke bombs.
No.
Well, why is the pack in here? Oh, goodness. She's coming back. Not bad. This